This is the Infinix Zero Ultra, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you gotta launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can just go ahead and launch the Opera, and all that it's left to do is to undergo a very simple yet necessary setup procedure. So in here, tap on the continue, then decide whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app. I'll skip this step. And finally, this page allows you to either customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.